The tech world just doesn't slow down, does it? Every day, there's something new making headlines. From gadgets that feel like they belong in sci-fi movies, to groundbreaking developments that could change how we live, work, and play. Welcome to Galore Techs. Imagine AI systems smarter than ever, robots doing the unthinkable, or sustainable tech reshaping industries overnight. Whether you're a tech geek or just love seeing what's next, these breakthroughs will blow your mind. Number 1. Gold-based drug for slowing down cancer growth. In an exciting development, researchers at RMIT University and Indian institutions have engineered a gold-based drug that shows promise in slowing down cancer growth by 82%. This compound targets cancer cells more selectively than traditional treatments, potentially reducing side effects. By inhibiting tumor growth, it offers a new avenue for cancer therapy and outperforms traditional chemotherapy. This compound is 27 times more potent against cervical cancer cells than cisplatin, and more effective against other cancers like prostate and fibrosarcoma. While still in the research phase, this innovation could lead to more effective and less harmful cancer treatments in the future. Number 2. Willow, Google's newest quantum chip. Google's been making waves with their latest quantum chip named Willow. This chip is designed to tackle the pesky issue of quantum errors, which has been a major hurdle in the field. By reducing these errors, Willow paves the way for more reliable and scalable quantum computing. Willow performed a standard benchmark computation in under 5 minutes that would take one of today's fastest computers, 10 septillion, or 10 to the 25th years. This means we're getting closer than ever to solving complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of even the most powerful supercomputers. It's a significant step forward in making quantum computing practical and accessible. Number 3. Nuclear-powered diamond battery. Imagine a battery that could keep your devices running for thousands of years without a single recharge. The nuclear diamond battery, developed by the University of Bristol, uses radioactive carbon 14 sourced from nuclear waste. It is encased in synthetic diamonds and converts radiation into electricity through a process similar to how solar panels harness sunlight. The nuclear battery uses the reaction of a diamond placed close to a radioactive source to spontaneously produce electricity. Scientists say that it could power small devices for thousands of years. Number 4. MouthPad from AugmentalÂ for controlling devices. Imagine controlling your laptop, phone, or even a wheelchair just by moving your tongue. That's exactly what the MouthPad from AugmentalÂ does. This futuristic gadget sits snugly in your mouth and translates your tongue movements into commands. At $1,500, it's designed to empower people with limited mobility, offering them a hands-free way to interact with their devices. Think of it as a trackpad but for your tongue. Want to scroll, click, or type? Just flick your tongue and it's done. It connects to your devices via Bluetooth, making it compatible with phones, computers, and even wheelchairs. This tech is opening up new possibilities for independence and accessibility. It's proof that innovation can truly change lives. Number 5. NVIDIA project GtE&x has just unveiled Project Digits, a personal AI supercomputer that fits right on your desk. Powered by the Grace Blackwell superchip, it combines a Blackwell GPU with a 20-core Grace CPU, delivering up to a petaflop of computing power. Project Digits delivers up to 1 petaflop of AI computing performance, allowing users to prototype, fine-tune, and run large AI models directly from their desktops. This compact beast is perfect for AI researchers and developers, handling models with up to 200 billion parameters. With 128 gigabytes of memory and up to 4 terabytes of storage, it's set to revolutionize AI development. Number 6. Anker Solix jacket. This isn't just a jacket, it's a power station you wear. The Anker Solix jacket is actually a wearable solar panel and comes equipped with ultra-thin, flexible solar panels stitched right into the fabric. These panels soak up sunlight during the day and store energy in a compact, built-in battery pack hidden in the jacket. The battery has ports to charge your devices like phones, smartwatches, or even earbuds. Perfect for outdoor lovers or anyone who's always on the go, This tech makes sure you never have to hunt for an outlet again. It's stylish, eco-friendly, and practical, saving you from dead batteries in the coolest way possible. Number 7. Plantaform, Smart Indoor Garden. Plantaform's Smart Indoor Garden is like having a high-tech greenhouse on your countertop. It uses fogponics, which is a next-level version of hydroponics. Instead of soaking plant roots in water, it mists them with a fine, nutrient-rich fog. This ensures roots get maximum oxygen and nutrients while using 30 to 50% less water than traditional systems. Sensors monitor light, humidity, and water levels, automatically adjusting everything for optimal growth. With built-in sensors that adjust light, water, and temperature automatically, it's like having a personal gardener in your living room. This isn't just cool, it's sustainable, efficient, and makes gardening a breeze for everyone. Number 8. Autonomous delivery vehicles now working in China. China is stepping up its delivery game with autonomous vehicles now operational in several cities. Companies like Meituan have deployed self-driving delivery robots, enhanced efficiency, and reduced labor costs. These vehicles navigate urban environments to deliver goods directly to customers, showcasing the future of logistics. This video shows how effortlessly a delivery vehicle in Qionghai County in China is traveling on the road. These vehicles have a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour and can carry 900 to 1,000 items per trip. Number 9. 10% of the South Korean workforce is now robots. South Korea has become the first nation to have robots make up over 10% of its industrial workforce. According to the World Robotics 2024 report, the country leads in robot density with 1,102 robots per 10,000 workers, which is double the global average. This shift highlights South Korea's commitment to automation and technological advancement. Number 10.V X2-X L-A 3D hologram display for gaming. Gamers, get ready to have your minds blown. The VX2XL is a cutting-edge 3D hologram display that's set to revolutionize the gaming experience. This device projects true 3D visuals that can be viewed from any angle without the need for special glasses or headsets. Imagine playing your favorite games with characters and environments popping out in real space right before your eyes. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, bringing a whole new level of immersion to gaming. Number 11. Synthesis Personalized AI Tutor. Synthesis is an AI tutor that adapts to how fast or slow you learn. It's a super smart tutor that helps kids learn, especially in math. Plus, it isn't even boring. It's gamified, so kids actually enjoy learning, and it gives instant feedback, like having a personal teacher 24/7. Plus, parents and teachers can track progress easily. It's basically making education more fun, efficient, and personalized. Number 12. GeoSpy AI. GeoSpy AI is like Sherlock Holmes, but for photos. It can figure out exactly where a photo was taken, down to the exact meter. Using AI, it analyzes things like the photo's metadata and visual clues to find the location. By analyzing visual elements like vegetation, architecture, and other environmental cues, it can pinpoint locations with remarkable accuracy. This could be huge for businesses, law enforcement, or anyone who needs to verify locations in photos. It's super precise and easy to use, making it a game changer in a world that's getting more dependent on tech for details. Number 13. Moonbikes, electric snow bike. Now, imagine zooming through the snow on an electric bike. That's what Moonbikes are. They're electric snow bikes, and they're pretty awesome. They're quiet, eco-friendly, and way lighter than snowmobiles, so you don't need to worry about all that noise and weight. They've got a good range, about 3 hours on eco mode, and can reach up to 26 miles per hour. Ski resorts are already starting to use them, so you know they're onto something. Perfect for anyone who loves adventure and wants to leave no trace on the environment. Number 14. Rictor Skyrider X1. The Rictor Skyrider X1 is a groundbreaking flying electric motorcycle that debuted at CES 2025. His innovative vehicle seamlessly transitions from a street-legal electric moped to a flying bike with foldable helicopter blades. Users can input their destination, and the Skyrider X1 autonomously flies them there. Priced at $60,000, it offers a 40-minute flight duration and can reach speeds up to 62 miles per hour. It features automated takeoff and landing, real-time weather adaptability, and an optional joystick for manual control. So would you want to ride this flying bike? Tell me in the comments. Also, which one of the new tech developments did you find the most promising? I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching!